Hi kindergarten, this is Mrs. Rohrig. I want to show you how to do our pumpkin addition in our Google Classroom. So just like yesterday with the word work that you did, for this you cannot go up here and go to present mode. If you do go into present mode, you're going to be unable to drag these boxes into the correct box. So when you go to this bigger present mode, it's going to not let you do what you need to do. So make sure that you keep it into this small box right here, or the small slide, in order for you to be able to drag things around and manipulate them the way that you want them to. So the first slide right here is just an instruction slide, and then the next one is where you get to show your teacher all that you know. So if you look in the very first wagon, there are how many pumpkins? One pumpkin. So you're going to come over to the side and find the number 1 and drag it to the first box. So just like it's in the first wagon, your number down here is going to be in the first box. So there's 1 pumpkin in the first wagon, so I put the number 1. If I go to the second wagon, how many pumpkins are in the second wagon? 1, 2. There are 2, so I'm going to find the number 2 and put it in my second box, just like my second wagon. So now my number sentence says 1 plus 2 equals, I need to write or move what number it is. Does 1 plus 2 equal 3? Or does 1 plus 2 equal 5? Well, if you don't know off the top of your head, you can come back up to the wagons and you can count them. 1, 2, 3. So I know that 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then I can move my mouse, I can move it down to get to the next slide, or I can use my arrow button on my keyboard to go to the next slide. For this one, how many pumpkins are in my first wagon? 2 plus how many pumpkins are in my second wagon? None, right? That number is 0, so I will put the 0 in my second box. Now I want you to answer what 2 plus 0 equals. And I want you to go through and answer all of the rest of our pumpkin addition problems. And when you finish and you get to the last slide, then you need to turn it in. And if you remember how to turn it in, what you do is go back up to your Google Classroom. Let me get back to so we'll go to classwork, and under Tuesday, there's that math right here, and right below it, you're going to go to view assignment. And when you go to view assignment, it's going to give you the option right here to turn in. Make sure that you click that button so that you're able to show your teacher all that you know. Have fun, kindergarten.